Understanding, Wait for the Cavalry, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and somewhat historical phrase, wait for the cavalry. This idiom, rich in history and imagery, offers a fantastic glimpse into how English expressions can encapsulate entire stories and strategic wisdom. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp its meaning but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what cavalry refers to. Historically, the cavalry was a military unit composed of soldiers mounted on horses. These units were celebrated for their speed, mobility, and the decisive impact they could have on the outcome of battles. In times of war, the arrival of the cavalry was often a turning point, offering reinforcement, fresh energy, and hope to those who were on the verge of defeat. When we say, wait for the cavalry, in a modern context, we're not usually talking about soldiers on horseback charging into battle. Instead, this phrase has taken on a figurative meaning, symbolizing the arrival of much-needed help or reinforcement at a critical moment. It's used to encourage patience and to maintain hope, even when a situation seems dire. It reassures us that help is on the way and that we should hold on a little longer until it arrives. Using this idiom in everyday conversations can add depth and a touch of historical flair to your speech. For example, if a friend is going through a tough time and feels overwhelmed, you might say, "Just wait for the cavalry. Things will get better soon." This not only conveys your belief that the situation will improve but also offers comfort and support. Let's look at some examples to see how wait for the cavalry can be seamlessly integrated into different contexts. In the workplace, when a team is facing a tight deadline and the workload seems unmanageable, a manager might say, "I know we're under a lot of pressure, but wait for the cavalry. Additional resources are on their way." Personal challenges. Amid personal struggles, a comforting reminder from a friend could be, "I know it's tough now, but wait for the cavalry. Help is coming." These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility and how it can be applied to various situations, offering hope and encouragement. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, wait for the cavalry. We've explored its historical roots, its evolution into a figurative expression of hope and assistance, and how you can use it in your own conversations to inspire and uplift. Remember, English is a language rich with idiomatic expressions that paint pictures and tell stories. Embracing these phrases can not only enhance your vocabulary but also make your communication more vibrant and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.